Alright guys, so I'm out here in my backyard. Got a little setup here, and I'm gonna try and teach myself how to backflip. Now, a disclaimer is, I can already do one on a trampoline. And yeah, my plan for this video is I'm just gonna set the camera up, let it roll, and we'll see how long it takes for me to go from trampoline backflip to backflip, hopefully on the grass. Alright, I'm warmed up. I'm ready to start here. Oh, I haven't done one in so long. I haven't done one in so long. Here we go. Okay. Wasn't expecting that at all. Okay, so I think I'm jumping back a lot. Well, I know just based on where I start and where I land. I know that like when I was told back a while ago, you're supposed to like up, straight down, same spot. So. Into this, I'm gonna try one on the grass. My camera's about to die. Low battery to start this video, so I'm gonna go switch the camera. You're back. Alright, so as you can probably see, I went and swapped for a mattress that has like no bounce and it's short of the ground. Here we go. One thing I'm doing here today is I'm taking it slow, and I'm only attempting one when I'm fully physically and mentally ready to attempt one. I just feel like with something like this, if you're not like fully ready to do it, you're just gonna fall. Unless you know what you're doing, which I have no idea what I'm doing. Alright, if anybody's wondering about my height, because I've heard the shorter you are, the easier it is to do things like this. I'm 6'2". between that and after just on flat ground. The only real way of knowing it is to do it on flat ground and see the difference, but it's not what I want to do. So, this is a mental game. Backflip is no physical, it's mental. It's scary. Okay, so this next one, it's a flat ground equivalent. So if I can do this one, then I can do one on flat ground. It's just a matter of doing one. Alright, so I can definitely do one. It's just a matter of progressing down to doing it on the ground here. Yeah. Videos.
Shirtless?
Yeah. Alright, so I'm staying like dialed in right now. Like my mood is like I'm so close to landing it, but like I'm not excited at all. Business deal. I'm right at the closing the deal phase of negotiations with it. Just like that. Let's go! Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I think this video was pretty cool. If you guys like it, be sure to like, subscribe, it means a lot, and drop a comment if you want to see another one of these. Peace.